Hello, beautiful living beings. It's the time for the Clover. Well, the Pokemon version of a Clover. A very mimi one at that. We're back in S Forest. This town is really weird. That girl over there says Reddit is her father and mother. In this freaking house, this lady just shows me a picture of a Pokemon. But we gotta help this old man. Look, he wants a no-goat. Now traits in this game, they're really weird. I've seen them, so we're gonna make it. I wanna see that flower. Video. You got a weird name, old man. Oh, there it comes. 33 flowery. Guess I can evolve it already. I got a leaf stone. Ruse Master. Is it because of its types? Take good care of it. It'll probably live in the PC. Many thanks. I know my memes now. Oh, you wanted a no-code for the memes? What's it have? Oh, you got an item. A Master Ball. Oh no, I've been rused. Oh, it needs a special attacker, this Pokemon. Double key growth since knowledge. Well, not this one though. Give me that Master Ball. I'll go sell it to someone. And speaking of selling, look at what they sell in here. A Root Ball. Especially well on Pokemon with offensive designs. Lovely. Oh, that's what the Bible's for. I know it had some use. Speaking of selling, look who's here. My insides hunger. Hunger for tacos. Whoa, lady. But calm down. A stoner's here too. These food trucks always have the best shit. This one just rolled in the other day. I know who these people are. I hope this line moves faster. I'm on my lunch break right now. I don't think the line's gonna move. I heard this new Mexican food truck is great. All the other hipsters are talking about it. A hipster? I have a taco supreme with sour cream on top. Wait one sec. Hold on there, kid. I'm trying to order my food. Oh, how rude. Hello, sir. Psst. What's the password? Taco? Close enough. Come on in. Oh. Kiwian Town. La gran profundidad de la ciudad. They dug a hole. Hello. Welcome to the Mexican herb shop. I didn't know this was here. Energy powder, 500. 50 points. Energy root. Oh, this. I remember this being horrible to the Pokemon. Or tasting awful. 200 HP. Bloody hell. Reviver. Yeah. A couple of those couldn't hurt. Mexican medicine, everyone. The best stuff. What do you sell? Pardon, yo no hablo English very well. Want a taco? It's 20 bucks. Yeah, of course I want a taco. I hope to bring my family to fucking with this money. What does the taco do? A delicious taco handled by a Pokemon. It will be used in battle to restore 50 HP. Oh, not bad. Not too shabby. Who's in this one? Yo soy the Mexican campeón of cross country. As far as es el lugar para mí. Memes divertidos and nice people. Oh. This town map. Wow, they're planning things very well here. They're very organized. Ooh. Is that... yeah, I'll come back here. What's this one? Espero un día explorar Pokémon sin el temor de la policía. Oh my... This game! ¿No eres mexicano? ¿Qué estás haciendo? Oh, I helped you. You remember me? Hello! Wait. Just in case. Who's first? Yeah. Yes! Oh, you really did me and the Hombres a solid back there. How about we have a rematch? Uno y uno, eh? Yeah, of course! This one's gonna be nice. I'm stronger now, Carlito. My fellow Tux Mero hero, Carlito. And his army of Zomboludos. I think I'm gonna one-shot them right now. Freaking Gaia. I remember some of these having a bit more defense than the others. Nope! You don't stand a chance, I think. But Gaia already leveled up. Nugget could use the XP. Or Colt, even. But they're faster than Colt, sadly. Nugget will take them down. Magnitude 8. I'll be back when I do so. Wow. Almost level 54. I wonder if Nugget will learn Earthquake at some point. Yeah, it's been one-shotting every single one of them. Even with Magnitude 7. Well, they are very low level. For me. Well, now they are. Not at the time of our first encounter. Bueno ese! Clean victory. 2000. Was a good battle, amigo. Always nice to have some friendly rivalry. And speaking of rivalry, even though she's not my rival, what are you doing in the safari, Keksandra? Welcome to S4S, Carl. This place is fucking awesome. I just spent almost all my money on the safari zone. Oh no. After gambling, after the casino, do you mind if I attempt to beat you up so I can buy food to sustain myself? Smile. Yes. Oh my, she even lets me choose. That's so sad. Pokemon Trainer Keksandra wants to battle, and she sends that annoying thing. I don't think you have anything for it, Gaia. Oh yeah, the flamethrower. Hitting for normal. That's worth anything. Oh my, that's not worth anything. She's got the Eviolite, doesn't she? Yeah, substitute to damage. I'm gonna curse it. I'm prepared for this. Oh my, the substitute didn't die? Of course. But I'm faster, so I'm gonna curse you as soon as I can. Okay, substitutes out. Critical hit. Wow. And it missed. Thank for the Gaia's incense. Sludge bomb. I don't remember if that can miss. Well, this is your end. It's really gonna hurt, you know. It's gonna. Well, I didn't know it was gonna do that. I got 4 turns to use items now. I think everything's gonna be. Ah no, I gotta switch Gaia. Sadly, I'm gonna switch it and I'm gonna heal him. Or her in any case. Nugget, she can't run when you're on the battlefield. Watch her die. Ow. Luckily you got leftovers. Well, it's time to die now. You cannot escape from the arena trap. 0 XP. Tripsius! Oh, perfect for Nugget. You know he's got Mega Horn now. Unless he misses. He used Psychic. He's faster. course it's gonna hit a lot. But! Ouch. Yeah, that's gonna hurt. Oh, he won. He freaking won. No! That's so sad. Well, I'm gonna heal Gaia with this turn. Wow, I don't have anything else. Only max potions and super potions. I mean, hyper potions. Well, no catch, sadly for you, it's over. But the Gaia can keep going. What a waste of a turn. Not really though. That thing's very, very fast. Good luck, Gaia's tanky. Hitting with stab all around. Oh, don't you dare. Critical hit. Lucky Gaia. Wasn't needed, but the satisfaction is there. Spagafan, the fairy. Think you have something against Fairy Cult? Oh, it's ground. Never mind. Garen will rip it apart. That thing. Die! Last time I played this game, that thing killed many of my Pokemon. Just because I didn't know it was a fairy. There it is. I should have put it to sleep. How irresponsible of me. Restore a little HP. Well, not gonna be of any use. It's dead now. Meme Ace. Eh, I'm good. It can't hit me with stab. Parents a ghost. Oh, and I can put it to sleep. It's dead. It's very dead. Yep. Extremely dead. Now it's deader. If that's even possible. Wow. Barely half its life. Come on, Karen. Keep destroying him. Or it, in any case. Fast asleep. It's dead. Quick psychic just to be able to move in the next turn. Karen's a menace. Forget the memeness. But June. Water. Oh yeah, I need the XP. Someone else. Got. You can kill that, right? You're quite slow, but you got a punch. Damn, that bolted. Of course, it protects itself. Let's see how well that works for him. I bet a third of its life is going down. Wow, that's bad. Well, it's bad for him too. How much would the Dragon Pulse take of him? A bit more, huh? Oh, you live for another turn, huh? Special defense rose sharply. You have a berry. Oh, come on. Don't you be annoying. Now he's gonna surf me over and over. Lovely, he actually killed me. Tyrus. Ult is very, very slow. Well, a quick of this. Don't need nothing. Don't need much right now. It fainted. 2000 XP. Come on. Can't you get called some slack? Hit Monana. Oh, of course I know what to do. That thing always likes to chopper. L50, right? 47. Oh yeah, I thought him toxic. I like the combination of toxic and fly. Fake up. You axe. Wait, isn't that ghost? I don't remember. Sadly. Chopper's not normal, so it cannot be. And Keksandra down. I'm gonna start it. Rip. Hey, she gave me $1,000. Before I die, I got a little something for you. Smile. Surf, right? My Pokemon already know it, so I don't need it anymore. I think I might stick around here for the rest of my short life. Wow. Sad story. By the way, who can learn surf? I'm not too fond of water types. Flash is for cold. No one! Oh no! This is bad. People, we need a fish. So much for a freaking fish. There's our fish. I found it in my PC from when I was breeding possible team members. But now it's useful. Why don't we see what this beach has to offer? Let's see. I predict many fish. But Colt can take them down with its thunderbolt. The thunderbolt. Hey you! Stop! Oh, come on, don't stop me. Really? Just in time for June. Okay. Let's make this battle quick. I don't think you... SJ Whale. I thank you one. I hope this one doesn't have amnesia. Thunderbolted. In prison. It tried. You give it that. Wow. So much more than the freaking Condume. Well, it's a starter for something. And Colt hasn't evolved yet. He's taking its time. He's really taking its time. Sim and another fish. Oh, it's the ugly ass fish. Hydra Pump. Oh no, a dragon. Wow, that was a critical. That thing does not have any semblance of attack. Special attack in that case. Oh, that one hurt. It hurt even to see. Good grief. Look how progressive I am. I'm gonna be defeating this fish. I'm gonna be surfing on that thing. It's not that big. Okay, I'll be back if I find something interesting. Colt gaining levels. When are you gonna evolve Colt? Master. The thing that can kill me. Let's see if it does. I really doubt it. Yep, it goes down. Wait, look at this guy. He doesn't need surf, huh? Who the hell are you? Oh, come on. So many fish in here. So many fish-nisms. They're annoying. Get out of here. I want to speak to this guy. He ain't using surf. Hola, my child. Have you finally come to hear the good word? Who are you? Look here. Jesus wants to battle. And he sends a Caroline. The thing the Bible's for. I don't trust that thing. Error slash. I knew it. Gonna slice Chopper up. Critical. I'm flying out of here. That thing only lands critical hits. I don't like it. Another Air Slash. Even with Chopper's defense, the criticals are just too much. Yep, down. You went real down. But can you take care of that thing? It's got toxic, so it won't last long. Nasty plot. Yeah, you think you're gonna last that long. Should have used that one first. Imagine if Colt learns Nasty Plot. Through any means. Oh wow. He destroyed it. Crucifix. I need fire for that. Or Karen. I'm gonna put it to sleep immediately. I'm not taking any chances. I'm faster. That thing's... Oh, right. I'm stupid. Perish song. Can I kill you before that? Yeah. Perish count, but... I wonder if I can kill it before that. A couple of hexes. That's all it takes. Woodhammer. Do you have any ghost moves? Wow, that wasn't very effective. Bloody hell. Yeah, it won't go. It won't come down to 0. Crucifix is gone. Sink in the friggin' sea. Karen, become more powerful. That's right. Dios mío. 200 bucks. How am I walking on the water? What am my invention? The Jesus boots. I came to fucking to sell them and get rich. Wow, I need one of those. So I'm using ripples right now. Because this place is really tricky to navigate. I'm gonna fight these dudes. Oh, this place is really evil. But I think there's only one way to go. Let me see. Here? No. Okay, that current only throws left. And right. I think I'm trapped. So, this cave is awful. Karen, I need you. It's full of nasty things. Try to... Oh yeah, under the effects of the Reaper still. Got lucky. Okay, Karen. Let's try this again. That wasn't the way. I didn't know the way. What's on my neck? Oh my god, there was an insect on my neck in real life. I think it was an ant. Okay, that's here. What about here? Here? Okay. I'm trapped again. No! This is awful. Let's see. Oh, it's down here. Then up here. No! And I'm out of repel. This is pain. But I bet there are worse destinies. Okay, this one looks different. Wanna try this? No! It's the same. It's all the same. I gotta be up here. There's no other way. I think I saw one current that was... Oh, it must be this one. Right, right? Yes, yes. Oh. That was... interesting, to say the least. Get out of here. Drooling thing. I already got a fish. Outcast Island. There's a pearl string buried under this signpost, but you'll never get it. Rude. Instantly rude. Outcast Island Pokemon Gym, Leader Polk, the jet-fueled hothead. Hello, sir. Some of you trainers are alright. Please don't come to the Outcast Island Gym tomorrow. There's a note attached. Gym leader out at the moment. Please come back later. Lovely. So this is always a good sign. Outcast Island. Leave no enormous free. The rest of the sign appears to be covered in racial slurs and other various graffiti. They got a lab too. Hello? Hello? Anyone here? Is it me or does the head of a Smoxilon look like a Pokemon from the Cantor? Oh yeah, it does. It totally does. Well, now we're talking. Hey kid, you got any fossils? Due to discrepancies in the law here on this island, you can do all kinds of freaky, highly unethical math science shit. Like bringing fossils back to life. Now hand them over and let me caress them. Yeah, a raptor claw. Oh baby, yes, now get out and come back later. I got some real science to take care of. Okay. Some Jurassic Park level stuff happening here. Hello sir, what do you have to say? We're trying to get this island's name changed to Keksandra, but the rest of fucking hates us so much, they just ignore us. A berry, a berry. Oh, it's welcome. I already know where the loom berries are, so... Hey there, kid. Want to buy some DT? It's 200! A dozen! Good deal, kid. Wanna buy some more? Yes! Yes! Give me an anti-Pokemon spray. Okay, that's enough. Get out of my sight! Okay! Let's get in this freaking building. Blacksmith Manor. Oh yeah, I can... Oh yeah, Gaia is back with us. Now we are safe once again. We plan to build a nasty bioweapon capable of taking out our enemies. A Pokemon both fast, powerful, and annoying. And also made of cheap parts. Oh yeah. It's gotta be cheap. Oh great. I gotta use the DDT. Oh, finally! Knockage! Earthquake! Earthquake that strikes all Pokemon. Excluding the user. Finally. That took longer than I expected. Same level that Gaia learned. Well, almost same level. Gaia learned Curse. We gotta open this. Where is that thing? Okay, there was a secret switch here. We gotta use the Ripple now. There's too many Pokemon here around here. I'm gonna level up after this episode, but not doing it. Oh, I got a bunch of shit. This spray. Illegal. Highly illegal. I'm free now. Oh, this way is not open yet. We funded the project as well as sharpened our splicing skills. Oh, by creating and selling Picoton, a hybrid of Pikachu and Slurpuff, species from other regions. Oh my! We sold them as pets to local trainers and children. Wow. They played God here. With the money and skills amassed, we set out to make our weapon. Using parts of the Gravelers, Golbat, and Tentacool, we made a truly formidable beast. I feel a frightening, powerful kind of feel past here. You aren't ready to go forwards yet. Okay. What are you saying? There's a chair here too. Going on. However, when we tried to name it, we were swarmed. And the only thing anybody in the lab could utter was motherfuck. So, that's what we named it. Oh my, they created that freak. Carl found one Ether. Ether ready. Hello. We were impressed with ourselves, but the motherfucker proved hard to control. In order to help keep the motherfucker under control, we created another hybrid. Wow. Fight fire with fire, huh? A max revive. It's welcome. It looked more valuable from afar. These guys got some answers. This whole manor is certainly interesting. Apparently there were a bunch of illegal experiments going on here way back in the day. Lovely. And here is a potion. Okay, more parts of the diary. A water type we called Oh fuck no. Oh fuck no. Wow. In making Oh fuck no, we had created an entirely different problem. They were as hard to control as the motherfucker we made them for. Oh my. Of course. Okay, second part of the manor. I hope less labyrinthic this time. Tons of these guys around too. They're just making Knockage stronger. 5 levels already, that's no joke. Super effective. Super effectivo. Knockage becomes stronger. There's even a scientist here. Oh my. This is no scientist. I'm researching a way to use Pokeballs as due detainment devices. So far my results are only partially conclusive. Does Chantrud count as a Jew? It's a crazy dude! This is bad. Yeah, it's a mad scientist. Schultz. A German mad scientist. Why is he German? That thing's fast. I don't like it. Kill it, Knockage. Grow stronger. Super effective. I'm leveling everyone to level 60 after this. I really want to, at least. Ben or what? Oh my. Oh yeah, Colt! No. Gaia. You got psychic. I love that thing. It's an insect. Well, it was an insect. It's pre-evolution, it's an insect. Psychic! Believe me, this hurts me as much as it hurts you. Wow, it's got tons of health. Bug buzz. It missed! Oh! Suffer from Gaia's incense. Super effective. Impeccable. Schultz be defeated. Not many people know this, but the Führer was a fantastic painter. 2080. He could paint an entire apartment in one afternoon. 2 coats. 2 coats? Okay. Who should be in the first slot? Yeah, I think we're good. I think there's a battle coming. Oh yeah, I remember it well. Aachen! My Aryan brothers. Oh, my Aryans! What would you say if you were leading a Nazi rally? Well, let me think. It's superb all weekend. I just saw a family dressed up as Jews today. Not sure if it's a carnival costume or if they were going to a Jewish place thing. You see, I hate how minorities seem to think that they're entitled to special treatment. But what if that's because... What if Jews are controlled by aliens? Jews are the aliens. They are promoting intercourse between white people and blacks to make race. Oh my, those space reptilians. This guy. And their Sabbath. Hey, wait! Who's that in the back? They don't look Aryan. Oh my. Oh my god. Men, battle formation. One in the back, 5 in front. Little you think they can come in here and cause a ruckus? I'm not you. Come and get me if you dare. Hitler did nothing wrong. Wow. Well, this is gonna be challenge 5-on-1. Oh my god. Fucking Hitler fags. Pain is over. Yep. I got the right Pokemon in the first slot. Earthquake. Suffer the power of a ground type. Oh, it did not last. Yeah, Nuggets is leveling up right now. Fantash. That's for Gaia. That's XP for Gaia. They're 54 already. Almost. Shadow Ball it! It's gonna hurt it. It's tanky, but it'll hurt it a lot. Spite. Oh, you're diminishing my PP. Ironic because Gaia's got pressure. Wow, Gaia's an excellent tank. Now that I think about it. Fantash Feint. Perfect, the Führer. My Führer! I mean, perfect the first one. What did I say? Make way for the Master Race. The first one of you already lost. Didn't even land a single hit. Cookland. A levitating fire type. Well, I'm in trouble. Cyrus, give me a hand with this one. Or a rock. If you mind. Gonna burn you. Shadow Ball. Impressive. But Osiris has got amazing defenses. I think we can kill it in one go. Flamethrower. Wow. You could have done more with the Shadow Ball, I think. But yeah, you might burn me. You're dead. That stab will hurt you like a bitch. Oh. Super effective. 800. Ah, it's nice. Heil truck. It's a job for Nuggets. Wait, it's fire type. Ooh, Colt. That's experience for you. If he doesn't use any funky moves, he may level up in here. Water pulse sharpened. Will it hurt? Will it help you? I'm very distracted today. Water pulsed. Is it one? Yep, it's one shot. Level 55. I like that. We should attack this for. Toxiraptor. A rock. A dead rock. Should be dead. Scary face. And it missed. Die, abomination of nature. You should be extinct. Why are there so many people with Toxiraptors? Are fossils that common? Did someone spread the fossils? I failed to live up to expectations. Yes, dude. Oh my. The moment is here, everyone. Cult. Evolution. Make Darwin proud. Oh my. Well, this one's gonna be an ass breaker. A destroyer. Wow. It looks intimidating. It looks very angry. Cannoness. Arbeit Mac 4. I don't know what you're saying, dude. Let's just battle. Let's let the Pokemon do the talking. Apex. Okay. Earthquake it. It must not live. It's slower than you too. Wow, a lot of health. Counter. Oh no. I'm sorry, Nugget. I didn't know it had that. Okay, Colt. Why don't you show him what you're made of? Wow. One Dragon Pulse. That's all it's gonna take. And it's dead. 2077. Skinhead defeated. Unemployed, by the way. What the hell? Can't do nothing. Don't be stupid, be a smarty. Come and join the Nazi party. We got a poet in here. Lovely. Fucking Stormfire wants to battle. Armor White. Oh, that ugly thing. Halt, kill it. It's an order. How's your special attack right now? Oh my. It's obscene. Finish Zoan. Yeah, I'm switching. Oh no, look at she's dead. Colt's the only one that can do anything. Anything substantial. Okay, Colt will let you handle the situation. I hope that thing doesn't have Earthquake. Or survives to use it, in any case. It's very tanky, but it doesn't matter, apparently. Like a demon. Okay, time to shine Gaia. Once again. I remember this thing giving you a hard time. Gave you a hard time in the past. Oh no, it didn't. You critted. Psyche. You landed a critical on this. Wow. More than half its life. And it coiled itself. Attack rose. Special defense? Accuracy rose. Special defense? Untouched. It's dead. Basically. Super effectivo. Kakademon fainted. That ugly ass thing. Oh. Fitting. The insult. Stormfog defeated. I was never a member of... I was only following orders, I swear! Oh, now you come out clean. I lied. Sure. How do you pronounce that? I almost choke trying to... I need water. Neo-Nazi. Finish off him. It's dead. It's just dead, I think. Oh, I didn't even use the Dragon Pulse. The Water Pulse on the last one. Although I think they do the same amount of damage. Wow. Nope. The Water Pulse does quadruple damage. Level 56 for Colt, and that's an obscene 240. Oh my. Colt, you're obscene. You're beyond obscene. Right now, Palm. That's it. That's a job for Chopper. Colt is very, very strong. Roy Napalm. Drill Packet. Couple of this should do the trick. If he doesn't have any rock moves, this should be fine. Heat Wave. A Fire Mower. But didn't do much. Chopper, you'll be taking care of the last one too, I think. You're good. And you need the XP. Paralink. What the hell is that? Whatever it is, it's going to die. Chopper, toxic. Is your ugliest move. Attack missed. Eruption. At full health. This is gonna hurt. Okay. Desperate measures have to be taken, Gaia. It's time for you to curse it. How much damage will the Shadow Ball do? It's got 3 heads too. I didn't see the last. Wow, that's a lot. Eruption. Lesser than half health. Okay, you're dead. I win. You die. Pyrolink. Interesting Pokemon. Looks like 2 dragons stitched together. Okay, I survived! Move aside. You're a tough kid. I think I'll call my little club meeting to a close early and head back to my gym. Oh, he's the gym. I forgot. You better show up, cause I'm gonna wipe the floor with your little impure ass. Lady? What are you doing here? Lady? Let me move, maybe? Okay, I'm free now. 2 computers that I can't even interact with. There's an item here. A light ball. I don't have a Pikaton. Enough Reapers for today. Recording's time is over anyways. One day an accident occurred, probably due to the incompetence of the laboratory's guard. The cases containing the motherfuck and Hopakno had been opened. They tore through the lab and escaped into the wild, also freeing the remaining Pikaton with them. Wow. An invasive species. An invasive artificial species. Anything here? Ah. Okay. It's time for me to head out now. I got a dinner waiting for me. Just a couple of sandwiches. It's been a pleasure today. But it's been a weird episode. Didn't expect that. Those fights. Okay. Hope you have a good night. Take care of yourselves. And I'll see you in the next episode. I'm out.